Oh God. I'm doing some mean shit to my body.
I think I'm gonna do pretty well. I didn't have that much to eat this morning.
Honestly, I'm a little nervous of how well I'm going to do at this.
I tried The Rock's actual healthy diet last time, and I actually liked it. It was just a lot of food.
The Rock is a big guy, so that's what's kind of making me nervous. He's a giant.
I love The Rock so freaking much. I can't even tell you.
We're gonna try to make you proud.
Yeah.
Rock, Dwayne.
Mr. Johnson. I already had breakfast, which I'm regretting right now.
Look at how many utensils they gave
think that
us.
this is a party.
I mean, it's a party in my mind. Shit.
Oh, so good.
Oh, my heart hates me.
So he just eats 12 blueberry pancakes.
That's the question I want to ask. How do you eat the same thing
Yeah.
in such high quantities?
I don't feel great.
Like we're in a eating competition right now.
I'm tapping out at 3.
I guess I will too.
Done. I might nap.
Wow. So how many does The Rock eat?
He's 4.
4 boxes?
Double dough? Oh my
Classic
God.
Rock.
Classic.
Well, cheers, guys. Ah, what a good day.
Yeah, I think it'd be cool to be The Rock.
It just sucks. I wouldn't want to do all of the other stuff.
Does he work out on his cheat days? Because I can't imagine eating all this food and then going to the gym.
I just love The Rock so much.
Oh, I'm sweating. I don't know if I can do this.
I am delirious.
I could honestly eat one more.
Box?
Yeah. Right now I feel perfect. I just don't want to get sick.
You feel perfect? I wish I could feel perfect after 2 pizzas.
Oh God. Bring on dessert.
It is really heavy. Try holding.
Oh my God.
Here it is.
Brownies.
Brownies.
I normally would be so happy to see a plate full of brownies, but I don't want to see it.
Cheers.
I feel closer to you guys.
That's it. And I'm full.
I feel like $1 trillion.
I feel like $1 trillion.
Oh God. Thank God I didn't wear my tight high-waisted pants today.